The Polygem PLG series CNC lathes are high value-added modernized machines with a rigid one-piece casting base, humanized operation panel, and friendly maintenance design, specially developed for job shops in high productivity industries. The powerful tool turret driver and unique gang-type tool stand facilitate quick and reliable tool exchange. To meet the various machining requirements in precision and high-performance works, the 8-tool turret system is offered as an option. The dual-axis square slideway design assures the quality of a heavy cutting operation. The extra-wide chip conveyor provides better treatment to the chip and coolant disposal, conforming to today's safety and environmental standards. With efficient automatic integration of manufacturing with the PLG series, Polygem brings great benefits to its customers, becoming your best choice and venture partner. The PLG 25. The flatbed-designed CNC lathe are available with a gang-type tool stand, a 6 tools maximum capacity, collet chuck, hydraulic 3-jaw chuck, and chip conveyor. PLG 42. The slant bed designed CNC lathe is available with a gang-type tool stand or with an 8-tool turret added. PLG 52, PLG 60. The slant bed designed CNC lathe is available with a gang-type tool stand and with an 8-tool turret or 12-tool turret tailstock added. Optional hydraulic power tools are available.